Hey girls and ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a cat eye tutorial. Let me not waste any time and get into it. So I'm going to be using the black opal eyeliner or brow pencil, whatever you call it, to draw my cat eye. Right now I'm sharpening the pencil to get it ready. I'm also preparing myself spiritually, emotionally for this. Okay, zilungiselele. Yes girl. Yes girl, stretch that neck, it's about to go down. So firstly, I'm going to draw a line on the outer corner of my eye. A straight line that is going towards the end of my brow. And I'm gonna go back again, draw a line that is connected to the first line going downwards. On this step, you're going to have to keep a steady hand, be gentle, and draw over your lashes and eyeball. And I'm gonna say this again, guys. Keep a steady hand so that you don't mess up. Okay, guys, steady hand. Oh, I just messed up. Petit momo. But it's nothing bad and it is fixable. So yeah. I'm back, just fixed it off camera. We continue, keep drawing on top of your eyeball and make sure the line blends in well with the structure of the cat eye you're going for. Make sure, okay guys, make sure. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead again on the tip of my cat eye to make it sharp and stunning. Yes girl. And I'm gonna do the other one off camera, so I'll be right back. This is the finished product. This is how you draw simple cat eyes. Most people start drawing at the top under the brow bone going downward, but I prefer to do them like this because girl, I couldn't do so this is the convenient method I use for me. So now I'm gonna go back with a clean mascara brush on my lashes to brush out the product left in the lashes and get them back in order, because you know girl, they will looking effed up when you're done doing your cat eye. Take your time, girl. Brush that product out. Get her out, okay? Take your time, girl. Take your time. Now you get the full effect. Wow, that did the trick, honey. It did. So now the girl is feeling herself with them cat eyes, sharp like Cleopatra's. Ain't nobody gonna tell her what to do. Ready to give everybody the eye, you know what I mean, girl. Well guys, that's the look. My cat eyes that I do like on a daily basis where I'm not going anywhere. Well, I kind of like it. It's giving Miss Natural vibes, okay? Miss Natural, like I'm that natural girl. But anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you on another video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.